Busy shipping desks live and die by throughput. When your packers have to stop and click through menus between every box, seconds add up fast across hundreds of orders. Pack commands in Dynamic Ship for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central give your team a scanner-driven packing workflow with no mouse, no keyboard, and no interruptions. Every action on the package worksheet has a matching barcode. Open a box, scan items in, set dimensions, rate the shipment, print the label, and post. One scan per step. Need to speed things up further? Chain multiple commands into a single barcode so a routine multi-step sequence collapses to one scan. Print a laminated cheat sheet for each station and your team is running. Packing station operators, shipping clerks, and warehouse supervisors all benefit, especially on high-volume domestic desks where every saved motion counts. To get started, reach out to your Microsoft partner.